everyone, I'm Winnie Nadapu and welcome to my channel. My channel is about what is happening in my life and what I learned from them. And in today's video, I would like to share my budgeting tips or how I plan my money a bit better. I read a few articles about it because I starting to think about what I want to get my own property in the future. That means I need quite a bit of savings, and just in general I think I want to start knowing where I spend my money better. And from the articles that I read, I'll leave below in the information as well, that you should spend 50% of your money would go into your essentials, and then 30% will be like other things that you want, and the 20% that you should aim for your saving out of your income. And that is the tip I follow when I started planning my budget.
So here is the numbers template from Apple, and I would like to show you how we can simply use this template to manage the budget. And here I list out like what other things that I need to pay for during the month, and then it helps me to see that whether it is a good split between different things. You can see that from the start, the salary is a bit too high, so I adjust it to 1K. That is easier for us to understand how the money is splitting out. And my main categories are rent, council tax, utilities, groceries, and streaming services, and other entertainment that include going out with friends, etc. Here comes the part that I want to show the most, and is how I manage my money in a visualized way. And so first is creating a table and put dates on that. So here is 2024 September, and then you can choose the auto-fill cells within this tool. There must be a better way of doing it, but I don't really know, so I'll just show you the simplest way that I found. So now we finished adding all the dates. I want to add a category that you can use the little filter thing up there and choose the category you want to add. Here we want to add date at a category group, so that we can see our monthly transaction in an easier way, and later on we can collapse the unnecessary months. And here I want to demonstrate on September 2024, and I want to add in my daily that means my daily transfer into my main spending account. And I want to also put my expense, and then there is leftover. That means that how much money I have left on a daily basis, and also add some notes if there are some bigger spend on the day that I want to be aware of. So daily in, let's set this field as currency. So it'll be pounds, and then just autofill the fields again and make it all become daily spend, daily in of £10. I like to set the daily transfer a little bit lower than my actual budget, so that if anything accidentally coming up, I could still manage the budget well. And I put some expense, and then leftover I'll do the formula as assuming there were £5 left from previous month here. So there'll be 5 plus daily in £10 minus £5 of my expenses. And for the rest of the fields, we'll use the formula of leftover from the previous day plus the daily in and minus the expenses of the day, and autofill the rest of it, so you'll know how much you have in your account on a certain day, and you can plan things a bit ahead as well if you have something that you want to pay when you have enough money at your account, or you want to plan certain appointments. You can look at it and think, this is a better day to go to those appointments so that you have enough money in your account to pay for, and you don't need to transfer extra money. And for big expense such as council tax, you can also think upfront that when you need to transfer more money into your account. And like Netflix, that is not spending yet, but I just put it there so that I know on that day I'll need to have that much in my account for that expense to happen. And that is how I found really useful to plan my money before it even happened during the month and manage my expense. So now I have logged all the expenses and the daily into the spreadsheet. I want to create a pivot table so I can visualize how my money is going in a summarized way on a monthly basis. And I'm just copying the pivot table I created into the same spreadsheet so it's all in one place and easy to visualize. And when I change my daily in or expenses on a certain day, I just put that in. I usually update the expenses based on the actual expense on the day, even though I log things to predict how much I will spend. I log it and I'll refresh the table.
That's all I want to share today. If you like today's video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share my video. And if you have any budgeting or money tips, please also leave below in the comment and let me know. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.